Hi, I'm Rashmi. So today we are making Gobi 65, or you can say cauliflower pakora. And so I cut it here like small cauliflower floret. So here, before we make the batter, I need to put this one in very hot water for 5 minutes, and then we start making pakora. So here the water is already boiled. See the boiling water. I turn off this one. Okay, put the all floret here and cover the lid for 5 minutes. We start making batter for this. So I have 1/3 cup of corn flour, 1/3 white flour of 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 corn flour and rice flour, and half salt. We have ginger and chili, 1 chili, and then this much ginger. Okay, black pepper, fresh black pepper, and we have the Kashmiri red chili. So this color is so we need the little bit reddish, so I put 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili. Okay, and I have the soya sauce. That's why I put little less salt, because this one has little bit salt here. Tandoori masala for half teaspoon. This is also nice making color. And garam masala. Garam masala also half teaspoon. Okay. So mix everything together. Slowly. See the colors, it's turned so red because of that tandoori masala and then Kashmiri red chili. See this still hot, right? This one for 5 minutes. So this is a little bit tender, not too much mushy. Okay, so this is okay. If you want to add a little bit salt, but too much salty stuff, right? So you can pour one by one like this and then fry it. Okay, I pour almost all of that. Okay guys, then we put this one into the hot oil. So this pakora is ready now. I Gobi 65. Okay, so I have here chaat masala. Just sprinkle a little bit on top, everything, and serve with a spicy chutney, like spicy sauce. I have right now here masala chili sauce, sweet and spicy. Okay guys, try. This is spicy and like fresh Gobi 65. Okay, see you next time guys. Bye. So yummy.